Yeah, right. That thing would get
Jesus,
rolled in the first
Benny,
5 minutes out here.
Sammy,
Twice at my house.
Magneto.
Fucking two guys, put the motherfucker right back over. Back. Fuck you, motherfucking punk bitches.
Yeah, that's JJ right there.
Fucking real shit out here.
That's the guy you gotta look out for. That's a brand new apprentice right there. Everybody's hiding from the rain. Hey, where you going, Bear? What's up, Timmy? Say what's up to YouTube. Say what's up to YouTube, guys. What's up, Jason?
Rain, you hear me?
What's up, Daniel? What's up, Mario?
I don't fucking rain.
Hey, what you guys hiding from the rain for, man? Come on. And see, they're hiding from the rain, but it ain't even raining, man. As the guys that are working with us, my buddies, Ironworkers, as well, you can see we go out there fucking building columns for the buildings. All right, check it out.